So if you've been working at home and you realise that your laptop camera kind of sucks, maybe you're turning up to Zoom meetings and realise that people just can't see you very well. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn your smartphone into a webcam for free. This is truly an upgrade that you're going to want to make to start impressing those colleagues and making the very best impression in those business meetings. If you are an entrepreneur, a creator, a non-profit or a small business, then this video is for you. So without any more time, let's dive into it. Hi there, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jason. I'm a smartphone video creator based out in the UK. And on the channel, we focus on helping you create smartphone media that's going to help you grow your brand online. Why not consider hitting the subscribe button where you're going to receive all our new and up-to-date content as it's released. This video is going to work with iPhone and Zoom, but it does apply to anything like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and even if you're using an Android, this works perfectly for you. So what you're going to need to set this up is a tabletop tripod, your charging cable, and your phone. Simple as that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the app on your phone to make sure that your phone can connect to your computer. And what we're going to do is we're going to use an app called iReune. Now there's also another one called Webcam, which you can use. I prefer iReune because I feel like it has more versatility. It can be used with more apps. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the App Store. So if we go to the App Store, what we can do is we can type in iReune Webcam. It's already in the settings there. That's iReune, I-R-I-U-N. So if we search iReune Webcam, it'll come up just at the top there. And as you can see, I've already downloaded it, but I'll download it from the cloud again. Now, I'm going to do this in real time because it's really simple and it is really quick. So we download iReune. Fantastic. So if we open up the app, what you'll see is this settings that are asking you to turn on your microphone, turn on your camera. You're going to accept all of them. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask for your computer to connect. So we're just going to hit let's go. And what you can see is the camera opens up and it's waiting for that connection. Fantastic. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dive over to the computer and we're going to download the iReune Webcam program. So now we're on Google. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in iReune.com. It's going to take you through to the website. What you're going to want to do is select whichever version you need to download, whether it's for Windows, Mac or Ubuntu. For me, I'm on a Mac, so I'll download for Mac. It's going to download just up here. It takes just a couple of seconds and then it's ready to go. So if I pop that open up the installer, and I can just work through this installer. I can follow the continues all the way through and it will take us straight to the end. Okay, so now that you've got your app downloaded on your phone and the app on the computer downloaded, what you need to do is now connect the two devices. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our iPhone and we're going to take our cable. We're going to pop the charger in to both the laptop and the phone. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mount this to our computer using our tripod. Okay, so you're going to open up Zoom and you're going to open up a new meeting. What it's going to do is it's going to ask you for the promptings for allowing computer audio. You're going to join computer audio. And then what you're going to see is the video options down at the bottom. So if you tap on them, you're going to select your webcam. For this, we're going to select the iReune Webcam. And as you can see, it's looking for the phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect up the phone. And as you can see, we are now connected. We do a little bit of maneuvering, get it positioned to where you want it, and then your webcam is ready to go. To make sure that you get the best out of your new smartphone webcam, what you're going to want to do is use the rear facing camera. It's much better quality than the front facing camera and it will pick up so much more detail in your video. There are also a couple of other settings that you can find in Zoom. So when you're in Zoom, you can go into the video settings and find the HD option and flick that on. That'll make your picture quality even better. You can even use the touch-up function, which will help kind of balance out the whites in your video. You can also tap the little toggle at the bottom where your video camera is, and that'll give you quick access to all your different video options. One thing that's really good about using this kind of webcam is that you're able to still use headphones, you're still able to use some kind of AirPods if that's what you use on your video calls. That won't interfere with this setup whatsoever. One of the other key features to this is that you can use your webcam wirelessly. So if your phone and your laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you're able to use your webcam wirelessly, which is fantastic. I've used it before to show people certain aspects of my home, or to be able to show them things on the desk that maybe you wouldn't necessarily be able to see from a laptop webcam. And there you have it. You're now able to use your smartphone as a good upgraded webcam for your video conference calls, whether it's with work, clients or family. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smartphone video creation content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for all the live updates that come to you each week.